Folk dance of India. One Bhangra is the folk dance of which state? A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Answer B. Punjab. Gidha. Gatka dance in Punjab. 2. Garba is performed during which festival? A. Diwali. B. Navratri. C. Holi. D. Pongal. Answer B. Navratri. Garba Navratri. Dandiya stick dance. Tippani in Gujarat. 3. Bihu dance belongs to which state? A. Assam. B. Tripura. C. Odisha. D. Manipur. Answer A. Assam. Bihu dance. Bagurumbha. Bichua. Natpuja. Ankiya Nat. Kaligopal in Assam. 4. Ghumar dance is associated with which state? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Haryana. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer B. Rajasthan. Ghumar. Kalbelia. Terhatali. Gangaur. Chakri in Rajasthan. 5. Lavani is the folk dance of which state? A. Goa. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. Answer B. Maharashtra. Lavani. Kala dance. Tamasha. Legend dance. Dashavtar. In Maharashtra. 6. Chhau dance is related to which states? A. Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal. B. Assam, Tripura. C. Bihar, UP. D. Punjab, Haryana. Answer A. Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal. Mayurbhanj Chhau. Odisha. Seraikela Chhau. Jharkhand. Purulia Chhau. West Bengal. 7. Roof dance belongs to which region? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Uttarakhand. D. Sikkim. Answer B. Jammu and Kashmir. Rauf. Hikkat dance in Jammu and Kashmir. 8. Dolu Kunita is a folk dance of A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer B. Karnataka. 9. Yakshagana dance belongs to A. Odisha. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Answer C. Karnataka. 10. Kathakali dance is associated with A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer A. Kerala. Kolam Thuallal in Kerala. 11. Tamasha is a folk dance of A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Punjab. Answer B. Maharashtra. 12. Karma dance is popular in which states? A. Jharkhand. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Odisha. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 13. Bhojgiri dance belongs to which state? A. Assam. B. Tripura. C. Mizoram. D. Manipur. Answer B. Tripura. 14. Chero bamboo dance is famous in A. Manipur. B. Mizoram. C. Nagaland. D. Assam. Answer B. Mizoram. Chalam dance, Chapcharkut. In Mizoram. 15. Bardo Cham dance is related to A. Sikkim. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Nagaland. D. Meghalaya. Answer B. Arunachal Pradesh. Mask dance, Mukhota. Tappu dance, Adi tribe. Lion and peacock, Monpa tribe in Arunachal Pradesh. 16. Koli dance belongs to which community? A. Farmers. B. Fishermen. C. Shepherds. D. Trvinbiles. Answer B. Fishermen. 17. Fugdi dance is associated with which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Goa. C. Kerala. D. Karnataka. Answer B. Goa. Dekhni dance in Goa. 18. Jhumar folk dance belongs to A. Bihar. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 19. Pangra dance belongs to A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Punjab. C. Haryana. D. Uttarakhand. Answer A. Himachal Pradesh. Nati dance. Rakshasa dance, demon. In Himachal Pradesh. 20. Thiruvathira is the folk dance of A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer A. Kerala. 21. Dandiya Ras is related to which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Punjab. Answer B. Gujarat. 22. Jat Jatin dance belongs to A. Bihar. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Haryana. Answer A. Bihar. Bidesiya. Jijia. Jat Jatin in Bihar. 23. Perini dance is associated with A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Telangana. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer B. Telangana. Bathukma. Bonalu in Telangana. 24. Mailattam dance belongs to A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer B. Tamil Nadu. 25. Chakri dance is related to A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Answer C. Rajasthan. 26. Kummi dance is from A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer A. Tamil Nadu. 27. Giddha is the folk dance of A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Rajasthan. D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer B. Punjab. 28. Bhavai dance belongs to A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Maharashtra. D. Punjab. Answer A. Gujarat. 29. Mohiniyattam is related to A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer A. Kerala. 30. Paika dance is associated with A. Odisha. B. Jharkhand. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Bihar. Answer A. Odisha. Dalkhai. Bagha Nach in Odisha. 31. Veergase dance belongs to A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer B. Karnataka. 32. Singhi Cham is performed in A. Sikkim. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Nagaland. D. Meghalaya. Answer A. Sikkim. 33. Bihu festival dance is mainly performed in A. Assam. B. Manipur. C. Tripura. D. Mizoram. Answer A. Assam. 34. Koya dance belongs to A. Telangana. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Odisha. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer B. Andhra Pradesh. 35. Dalkhai dance is associated with A. Odisha, B. Jharkhand, C. Bihar, D. Chhattisgarh. Answer A. Odisha. 36. Hikat dance belongs to A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Uttarakhand, D. Punjab. Answer A. Jammu and Kashmir. 37. Wangala dance is related to A. Meghalaya, B. Assam, C. Nagaland, D. Manipur. Answer A. Meghalaya. Nongakrem, Wangala, Lahu dance in Meghalaya. 38. Cholia dance belongs to A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Haryana, D. Punjab. Answer B. Uttarakhand. Garhwali, Chapeli, Bhotia in Uttarakhand. 39. Raut Nacha dance is related to A. Odisha, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Jharkhand, D. Bihar. Answer B. Chhattisgarh. Panthi, Pandavani in Chhattisgarh. 40. Leh Haroba dance belongs to A. Manipur, B. Mizoram, C. Tripura, D. Assam. Answer A. Manipur. Nupa dance also known as Kartal Cholong. 41. Gambhira dance belongs to West Bengal. 42. Dekhni or Fugdi dance belongs to Goa. 43. Matki dance, Tertali dance, Kulepati dance and Javra dance belongs to Madhya Pradesh. 44. Ziliang dance belongs to Nagaland. 45. Wajiri dance belongs to Pakistan. 46. Fusion style known as High dance